if you really have any type of hustle, you can make money. And the truth is, it only takes one deal to change your life. And what I mean by that is,
what's after the Jeep? So you're up to 15 grand. Tell me how you get to the 100 grand. Everybody, there's a lot of people out there that would love 100 grand. I want to
that's the thing.
Tell me the steps to get to the 100
honestly, I don't feel like I'm not here to act like I'm some like big baller.
No.
It's 100 grand. It's really like, to me, that's not that much money. Like I had that literally, like I said, when I was 17. So I didn't feel like this is that valuable.
You made it from $800 in a short amount of time.
Yeah.
And so I think telling the story is going to show people what's possible. But so you flip the Jeep, and this is all on Facebook Marketplace.
All on Facebook and Craigslist.
Okay, and then so you do the $15,000 deal. What's the deal after that?
I think the deal after that was, which one was it though? It's like a Chevy Silverado, I think. I think I did it in 23 flips. And if you do the math,
okay,
the average flip, I think you make around $5,000 a flip. If you do the math on 23 flips divided by 100 grand, it's about $5,000 a flip. So after that, it was like a Chevy Silverado. I'm not sure if this is the exact one, but from there, I went and bought a bunch of shit with the 15 grand because I'm trying.
Yeah, you're able to do two. You're able to
do more than once.
Yeah, a golf cart and a truck, and have two things going. Are you doing anything to the cars? Like, so for people that are out there listening, like you're just kind of cleaning it up, taking better pictures, making it nicer than it was.
Yeah, I mean, some like that Jeep, all I did was paint the rims, and maybe I didn't even need to do that. But to me, it was like, I might as well paint these rims. You know what I mean? But sometimes you need to fix the seats ripped. Sometimes you need to fix an engine light. Sometimes it's just sensors. Sometimes just basic stuff, like nothing crazy. Sometimes repaint the hood. Maybe it's faded.
A dent here or there.
A dent. Yeah, I have a dent guy that can pop dents out and stuff. So it's like, another thing is like, I filmed a program on how to do all this that I'm going to be selling. And also I want to know your advice.
Okay.
I want to know your opinion before I get to this. What do you think a program from a guy that showed how to do this is worth if I put every little bit of information I possibly could think of into it? And I actually did everything I could to share advice, like, how do you find someone to paint the hood? How do you do this? How do you do this? Where do you buy this? Like, how do you negotiate? I put in every possible thing I could think of to make it valuable. And I'm going to give 100% money back guarantee if you can explain to me why you think it's not valuable. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
What do you think that would be worth?
I don't know. I'm trying to think back to whenever I was like 18 to 20 year old. Like, what would I pay?
Yeah.
I mean, it's worth whatever people will pay.
I think so.
Number one, but you're like, what's a good value is what you're asking. $1,000?
I was thinking 500.
Yeah. I mean,
so like less than 1% of what I'm showing I did.
I feel like
make it back the first flip.
But that's what I'm saying. It's something that somebody could, like, if it was low enough investment to where like you're going to make it back on the first or second thing that you do. Like that feels valuable. Like that seems significant.
Yeah.
If you have to do 10 things before you get your investment back, like that's not really valuable to the person that's buying it. Right.
For sure.
So yeah, $1,000 like seems fair. Maybe 500
and just factor it into your first flip and then write it off pretty much as a business expense into the first flip and you'll make it back. Like if you make $5,000 your first flip, like that golf cart, it'll pay for itself literally on your first deal. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, and that's why I was asking all the questions because I think people, it is something that almost every single person out there that can do. Like doesn't matter who you are. Like you can find deals and resell it. I mean, Gary Vee's been talking about it online forever.
Yeah, couch flipping.
Yeah, people did that. I knew the furniture flipping thing was a big thing too. You could buy like old shitty like wooden dresser drawers. They paint them, they put new hardware on there and they sell them for like $500.
Yeah.
Like I knew that was a big deal too.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you could, if you really have any type of hustle, you can make money. But I mean, people get lost in the sauce. They start overthinking it too much. And the truth is, it only takes one deal to change your life. And what I mean by that is once you get that first, let's say you make $1,000 on one deal, you're never going to be the same man because you're always going to remember, oh, I made $1,000 doing that. It's going to change your mindset.
Think if you make $20 an hour.
Yeah.
And it takes you all those hours to make $1,000.
Exactly.
And then you get like all the Social Security and everything taken out of it. And it's like it's tough. Like that's a lot of man hours to make that $1,000 when you can make it in with no effort. Yeah. Just a little bit of extra time. Yep. And it opens up your eyes and you're like, holy shit. Like I could do this with everything in life.
Yep.
Yeah. 3 flips is 3 months salary for a regular job.
If you make, that's making $5,000 on a flip is pretty solid, but even if you make $1,000, whatever, I mean, better than nothing.
I think more people overcomplicate making money. That's another reason I wanted you to come on and tell your story, because I think if they know what's possible and they do a flip like this, or they buy something, they sell something, and then that one thing opens their eyes. They're like, oh, that makes it it makes it possible where they can go out and go, it's not rocket science.
If you're out there trying to get your first deal, or you need help with the deals you're already doing, you need my Flip Money program. I teach how to negotiate, how to find deals, how to know it's a deal, how to be confident enough to go out there and start looking for deals. Everything I possibly know is in my Flip Money program, and I created it to help you guys as much as possible. So go to judahfindley.com, hop on the program, and I will help you with your first deal or the deals you're already doing. So I'll see you inside. Go to judahfindley.com.